want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down.
What is up, you guys? I cannot believe I'm actually filming this video. Like, I'm shook and I'm so freaking excited. First of all, welcome if you're new here. My name is Brianna. I do lots of lifestyle, fashion, beauty, fitness, all that type of content here on this channel, so make sure you subscribe down below if you're into that sort of content. And as you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing review of my new Dyson Airwrap. They just came out with their new one and I'm so freaking excited. I cannot believe the day is finally here that I got one. I've been manifesting this. Roll the clip. Until I try out a Dyson or something, I really am manifesting. And I'm happy to say that I finally have one. So I'm not going to make this intro super long because I know what you guys are all here for, and that is the unboxing, the review. You want to see the products. You want to see how my hair turns out after. So let's get right into it. First, before I comb out my hair, I just washed my hair and got out of the shower, but we're going to unbox this baby. I got the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. I have long hair, so they have two. We got the long one, definitely needed it. So this is what the package looks like. Hallelujah. So this is the case. It's like a dark navy blue. It's like a velvety material. It's super heavy duty, which is obviously freaking beautiful. And now let's open it up. So this is what it looks like when you open the inside. It's all wrapped really nice and neat, so it's not just all thrown in there. I also got mine in the copper nickel. They have 3 different colorways. You can do nickel here. I did copper. Power button, the cool shot, then you have the speed, and then the heat. And then we have the soft smoothing brush right here. This one has the copper, so you can tell the difference. On this side is the firm smoothing brush. So this one does not have the copper. And then we have the Airwrap long barrels. It comes with 2, so it comes with one that's 1.6 inch and one that's 1.2 inch. I'll take them out and obviously show you guys an up close. And then after, you have the Kawanda smoothing jar, which this is a very different attachment. I've been doing a lot of research. I didn't have the other version, but you can just see how different it is. So this is just to, you know, roughly blow dry your hair, and you can also do a feature that smooths out your flyaways, which I think I'm going to try later. And so this is what it looks like. Also, they've upgraded their version, so instead of having to switch out the barrels, which I've heard a lot of people didn't love about the other one, now all you do to switch which side, like your let's say you're air wrapping to, you can just twist this. Turn this and it closes, so this is for the smoothing the flyaways, for example, and then the same thing for the long barrels. Down here we have the round volumizing brush, and it also comes with the little cleaner. And here you have all the attachments. Alright guys, I'm finally ready to begin and do my hair because I want to do it already. But first, we're going to use some products in my hair before I get started. So I'm going to be using the Sol de Janeiro Milky Leave-In Conditioner. So this weightlessly hydrates, detangles, and protects from heat and UV. So first, I'm going to spray this all over my hair and then we're going to detangle it. Next, I'm going to use the Bumble Bond Building Repair Styling Cream. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the blow drying brush. So now that I have this on, I'm going to make sure so all the airflows are open. You just turn this to close it. So I think I'm going to do like the medium speed and also medium heat, and then going to be using the now round volumizing brush just to get towards like the roots, because when I do the air wrap, I don't want my roots to be like puffy or anything. I just want to kind of smooth that part out. So I'm going to test out the volumizing brush now. Really quickly, just wanted to hop on here and say that I know that with the Airwrap attachments that you should be doing it on a little bit of damp hair, and this was my first time. I'm not a pro. This is why it's like a first impressions video and I'm learning as I go. I'm going to be posting a ton more shorts with new hairstyles and stuff, but I know I did this probably wrong, but that's fine. Okay, I think now would be a perfect time to show you guys the flyaway smoothing part of this, because as you can see, it gets a little, I don't know if you can see up close, like right here, you know, these pieces. Just to quickly show you guys like how it works. So you're gonna turn to the opposite way, and then what you want to do is let the hair attach to the thing. So it's gonna be, you're gonna hold it this way with the copper part facing upward, attaching to it, and you just go down. I'm sorry, look at the comparisons of all these pieces that are like sticking up. I'm going to take a picture because I'm not sure if it's picking it up on camera. And now for the air wrap, I'm going to be using the 1.6-inch barrel. For this, I'm going to do high speed, high heat. And what you're going to want to do, so the steps for this is to obviously turn it on. It's going to be hot. You're going to obviously air wrap it. And so you're going to change the direction. So I have it pointing to the left, because I'm going to start with my left side. And once you have it curled, whatever, for a couple of seconds, you're going to do a cold shot. So you see the blue right there? You're going to hold it upward for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Then you're going to turn the machine off and then release. Okay, I'm going to cold shot it. Wow. For this look, also I'm going for like the looser waves because it's the bigger barrel, so that's what I'm gonna get. But it has like a good bounce to it. Okay, I'm now about to do the top section of my hair. I know people say they've done this on like wet hair, so I don't know. Comment down below if you've used it and what works for you with the air wrap or any of the other attachments. I mean, those are, I feel like, more self-explanatory. With the air wrap, I guess there's so many different techniques, so I guess it's gonna be trial and error, but my hair already feels like really smooth. Last piece. Okay guys, that is my hair. There's hella volume. It's nice and like fluffy. I just really love it. I love how it came out. I'm still learning and I'm excited to like really perfect it. So when I do, I'm gonna do like more videos, like I said, on shorts, but I'm gonna make another video. But for my first time, I really love how it came out. So for my first impression and my first review, I really do love it, and I think there's so many great attachments and so many different hairstyles I can be doing with this. So I'm really, really excited. I think the heat is perfect. I love how there's different speeds. I love that they changed the attachments so you don't have to like switch out each barrel for the air wrap. And I'm really excited for it, honestly. I think for my hair length and my hair texture and all that stuff, I think it works well for me. So give it a try. Let me know your guys' thoughts if you are getting one, or if you already have one, like what's your favorite hairstyle to do. If is it like a straight look, is it just like a super bouncy blowout look with the round brush? Just let me know in the comments. And I also am obsessed with this attachment. Like, I am obsessed with it. I'm just excited to keep playing around with it. If you liked today's video, then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching it all the way through. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.